VMware vSphere 7 delivers essential services for the modern hybrid cloud. It powers the computing environment for modern applications, AI, ML, and business-critical applications. Applications can be deployed using any combination of virtual machines, containers, and Kubernetes. vSphere 7 is the biggest release of vSphere in over a decade. Using vSphere 7, customers and partners can now deliver a developer-ready infrastructure, scale without compromise, and simplify operations. Hi, I'm Kelly Smith with VMware, here to introduce a new lab, VMware vSphere What's New. This lab is for beginners and intermediate users of vSphere and takes just over 3 hours to complete all modules. The modules vary in length from 15 to 60 minutes and can be completed independent of each other and in any order. The lab begins with an overview of vSphere 7. Then we will cover the vSphere lifecycle, intrinsic security, followed by application acceleration, vSphere with Tanzu, and finally, we will cover the new features available in vSphere 7 Update 2. VMware solved the challenges faced by traditional apps across heterogeneous architectures with the introduction of VMware vSphere. With vSphere 7, we're delivering the essential services for the modern hybrid cloud. VMware vSphere with Tanzu, available through VMware Cloud Foundation, delivers VMware Cloud Foundation services and application-focused management for streamlined development, agile operations, and accelerated innovation. It's a flexible environment for modern applications that are built from microservices and run across heterogeneous environments. With vSphere Tanzu, VMware delivers embedded Tanzu Kubernetes grid service for fully compliant and conformant Kubernetes capabilities in containerized applications. This approach provides Kubernetes APIs to developers, enabling CI/CD processes across a global infrastructure, including on-premises data centers, hyperscalers, and managed service providers. It unites the data center and the cloud with an integrated cloud operating model. Now enterprises can increase the productivity of developers and operators, enabling faster time to innovation, combined with security, stability, and governance, and avoid cost proliferation due to multiple stacks of IT infrastructure or cloud services. You can take this lab now by visiting hol.vmware.com and searching for vSphere 7 or 2211-01. Remember, all labs are free and available 24/7. There is nothing to install, and you can return and take the lab as often as you like. You can test your skills and take the Odyssey vSphere 7 Getting Started game. Learn more about Odyssey by visiting odyssey.vmware.com. Also, check out pathfinder.vmware.com to find many VMware product experiences in one place so you can easily learn and evaluate VMware solutions for your organization. Thank you and enjoy your lab.